Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL Quantum TWS Air wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you want to connect them to your iPhone or to your Samsung phone or Android or your computer, your laptop, your PC via the Bluetooth, so not via the wireless dongle that's provided, but via Bluetooth. So we can do this for the first time, or we can pair something new, disconnect and pair something new. So the first things we want to do is, if we just open the case, they'll actually automatically turn on and start going to pairing mode. We can take them out. They'll be blinking blue, indicating that they're in pairing mode. Then we can just go on our phone or other device, go to the available Bluetooth devices and select the Quantum TWS Air. It'll pair automatically and they will become solid blue. Now, if we want to change the device, they're already paired to something, or they're not pairing and we want to manually put them into pairing mode, what we can do is, again, with these earbuds out of the case, we're just going to go ahead, and they might be solid blue because they might be paired to something, but we're just going to, either of the earbuds, we're just going to press and hold for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it will start to blink blue again. Basically, it will disconnect from whatever it was connected to, and it will go back into a pairing discovery mode, at which point you can go to the device you want to pair them with and pair them with that device. So that's really all there is to it. If this worked for you, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.